Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. Check your model and current iOS, plug the iPad into power, and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, make an iCloud or computer backup. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Next, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to let the device check for a new release. You do this now, so the download and install steps will proceed without interruption or unexpected power loss. You tap Download and Install, and if asked, enter your passcode. This authorizes the update. While the update downloads, keep the iPad connected to power and Wi-Fi. Interruptions slow or corrupt the process. Once downloaded, you'll see Install Now or Install Tonight. Choose based on your schedule. The device will prepare the update, reboot, and show an Apple logo with a progress bar. Don't disconnect it. This sequence ensures files are replaced safely and system integrity is preserved. After installation, you'll go through setup screens and may need to sign in with your Apple ID or passcode to finish activation. Make sure to verify the update by checking Settings General About and then test critical apps to confirm they function. If the update fails, free up storage and try again. If that doesn't work, restart the iPad and retry. As a final troubleshooting step, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to reinstall the firmware. This restores the system without data loss if you have a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.